Alright, and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to configure a router. I am going to use some references. I was going to do it without references before, but then it kind of went really south. So, I'm going to show you how to install a DHCP server, configure the network cards, and configure NAT, your access lists, your passwords for your line con and your telnet. So let's get started. So first off, I'm just going to go into config terminal here and do a host name and make that NAT. Let's see. Let me just disable that error opening TFTP thing real quick. Oh. Why did I do that? Okay, never mind. I'm going to make a domain name and oh, wait, no. Domain name hammertech.org. Yay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to do is I'm going to do IP DHCP exclude excluded address, and I'm going to do the address of the first address, and I'm going to exclude all the way up to 99. Alright, so that's done. So next, since we've excluded the addresses, so those are the addresses the DHCP server will not address anything to. Okay, so IP DHCP pool, and I'm going to make the name, not Hammer Tech, Hammer 20, and then I am going to do network 192.168.20.0, and then I'm going to make it a subnet mask of 24. Okay, next I'm going to make the default router. I'm going to make that 20.1, which will be this router in a couple of more steps in a little bit. DNS server, and I'm just going to pick Google's DNS server for now. Okay, so next I'm going to do interfaces. Interface fast Ethernet 0-0, and I'm going to make it an IP address of 192.168.20.1 with a 24-bit mask. I'm then going to change to my second interface. Oh, hold on, I missed a step on you. Sorry about that. Do a no shut, and then do IP NAT. Since I'm already here, do IP NAT inside. And yes, that's a good sign. Now do interface FA0-1, IP address 192.168.0.3 with 255.255.255.240. So that will be the outside. So we do IP NAT outside. And then also do a no shut. So that way the interface should come up here in a couple of seconds. Or it might be up already. I'm not positive. Alright, I am going to... Well, I'll do IP NAT inside source. Oh, wrong. I gotta make the list first. So do access list. Not expression. Come on, list. Oh, I'm in the interface. Okay, so back out one. Access list 100. Permit IP of whatever your internal address is for your intranet, and use a wild bit mask or a wild mask of 0.0.0.255 any. that's in my scenario. You could have a different bit mask. You could have, because I'm using a bit mask of 24, you reverse it. So instead of it saying 255, 255, 255 is .0, it would be 000 255. So the next thing, which you don't really have to do if you don't want to, I'm just going to put the implicit deny any so I know it's as a reference. I missed IP any. All right, so next I'm going to do a banner mod, MOTD, so that way if somebody tries getting into your router, it will pop up. So I'll use the number symbol, so enter text, yeah, something like that. I'll do access denied and then do all enters again. Get a good representation of what it would look like when you telnet into this. All right, so next we'll do linecon 0 and we'll make the password root as of for right now. Yeah, I know, wonderful password, right? I'll exit out one. We need to make a username for Telnet itself. Let's see, username root, password, and I'm just going to ignore the 0 and 7. I'm just going to make it encrypted because I'll enable encryption later. So I will make the password, for simplistic reasons, root. So you can use it whatever you want. So, okay, so I've done that. Go in the line VTY 0-4. Do password. And I'll also make that root again. Unfortunately, the router that I own is a Cisco 2601. It's an older router, so it only knows how to do Telnet. It does not support, at least this iOS version, does not support SSH. So, yeah, my version is 12.2. And yeah, so I have a Cisco 2600JS-M. So, okay, never mind. I was looking at the wrong one again. So it's the 2621. Okay. All right. So we've done we've done VTY, we've done linecon, and we've done IP access list. The next thing we are completely missing, because I had to skip it, we have to do IPNAT source list 100 interface there we go. No? What am I missing here? Oh, I forgot inside, my fault. Source list 100 for the list I just made up here previously. Where is it? Access list right here. And then interface FA's fast Ethernet 0-1. It might not like that, so let's just have it go all the way here. And then the IP address of what you're going to have the outside interface try and connect to. So, oops, doesn't need an IP. I missing here? Oops. Oh, jeez. Okay. Net source list. Interface. Oh, I'm trying to do the wrong. I'm looking at the wrong reference line. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. So the next line is IP route everything to fast Ethernet 01 to 192.168.0.1 in my case. So hit enter on that. And then we should get a connection. So let's do an IP config real quick and see if this actually my computer received an address. That is not the correct address. I think I'll just enable and disable the network card here real quick. Okay, IP config -all or /all. Too many interfaces. Okay, it's this one. I may, let's see. Did I forget to add the network in the pool? No, I did not. I'll do that show run again here real quick. Okay. Nope, I did not. It should be releasing an IP address. Maybe that did it. Okay, IP config -all. Gateway. Yep, there we go. It just took it a little bit. Okay. So now I should be able to do a tracert, and I should be able to come back with a reply from that router. Oops. In order for do a -d if you do not want it to look up domain names. Yep, so it went to that router. And let's see, ping Google or 8.8.8. That's good. And I should also be able to ping Google. Yep. There we go. Yeah. All right. So that is basically setting up a router to do NAT and be a DHCP server at the same time. Oh, sorry, I forgot one more thing, which I said I was going to do, and I don't want to forget doing it. Because you can see my passwords. So, you do service password encryption. Now you should not see any of my passwords. Yep, so there's the password. Now, if you knew how to encrypt that, you'd pretty much know it comes back as root somehow. So there you go. As soon as you get all this configured, you have successfully configured a router to do Nat IP DHCP server. It can be a Telnet server, or you can log in through Telnet. So I'll just show an example real quick. And there's your MOTD showing up like it's supposed to. And there you go. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Laters.